friend Globey. Okay. Did you get it on? All right, let me try to set this on the ground down here. All right, quiet please. So here is, hold this for a second. We're going to pretend that we're not going to worry about the sun right now, except for that the sun is the light source. The reason we don't have hey Globey, start rotating. So the Earth is rotating, okay, and keep rotating. Don't get dizzy. Don't pass out. And the moon's going around. So the moon's going around. All right, stop, Globey. If everything was even like this, if we were all even like this, in the same, let me see if I can do, hold that, yeah, thank you. If we were all higher, right away, if we were in the same plane, you know what I mean by plane? See how these are flat like that? If we're in the same plane like this, it would be good. It would be the same eclipse, but it's not. We're tilted a little bit, so hold that down just a little bit. And the moon, I got the moon, let go of the moon. And so, hold it with two hands, you got it? Spread them out, there you go. Perfect, well, kind of. We just had, the Earth just got destroyed by the sun. All right, there we go, move this hand this back. Perfect, okay. So the trouble is, or the difference, the moon's at a little bit of a different angle. It's not exactly like that. And that's why we get eclipses in different places at different times. Solar eclipse, lunar eclipse. It is whatever is missing. Hey, thanks, Globey. Have a seat. There are four, I think you survived it. There are four types of eclipses. There is a partial eclipse where you're only in part of the shadow. It doesn't completely cover. There is a total eclipse where it turns completely black and you can see the sun's corona or crown. And then there is an annular, which means a ring. Like if the moon is too far away or too close, because it's not really the same, you don't see it. And there's a hybrid. So there's different types of eclipses. And about a year from now, we're going to see a total eclipse of the sun. It's going to be pretty cool. I can't wait for it to happen.